check. Good. Whee! Hello everybody. Today we're going to be figuring out how much money are we going to make off this knife. Let's find out. We got our straight edge here. Let's go from this side. And we'll see. This is a... Oh, it's... good. You know, usually I go to... If it's over halfway, I round it up. And if it's under halfway, I keep it. So it's 6 inches. Just slightly more. 6 inches. Well, $2 an inch. That's $12. So let's show you how to make $12 really quick here. So this knife isn't that bad. It is, there is an edge on it. But we're just going to hone that edge a little bit. Okay, 20 degrees should be good. And we're going to go 3. And I think that's going to be good. It's not too bad of an edge. This is a return customer. X65 belt. And then we're gonna go to our X22, and I have exciting news. I just got a second twice as sharp, and I think I should be getting 2 more, but that's a long story how I got 2 extra ones. I only wanted a few. And yeah, that will speed this whole thing up. There we are. And now we're going to go to our X4 belt, which is starting to look a little rough. And then we got our something 6,000 grit belt. And then we're gonna go to our, you guessed it, our strop. But don't forget the polishing compound and turn it down. And there it is. I don't know how long that was because my camera's not that fancy to tell me. But let's, oh, we got this right here. Let's check. Good. Whee! One more. There. I don't know. what was that, $12 in however many minutes, you know.